Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for ClickUp. So first of all, open up the ClickUp app. Now once you're in the app, click on get started right here. Now in here type in your email address. After you type in the email address, click on next. After that they will send you an email with a verification link. You will have to click on that email, or you can also opt for entering a code. So I will be going for the code. Just click on enter code. I'm just going to type in the code. Now after your email has been verified either by code or clicking the link, they will take you to this interface right here. Now in here type in your full name. You will have to create a new password for ClickUp and just confirm that password here. Now after you typed in your name and have confirmed your password, click on sign up. After that they will take you to this interface right here, create workspace. You will have to name your workspace. I will just go for this one, click on create workspace. And after that you would be in the ClickUp workspace that you created. So that is how you can sign up for ClickUp. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for your ClickUp account. So first of all, open up Google and in here type in clickup.com. Hit enter. Now once you're at the website, click on sign up at the top right. Now in here you will have to type in your mail. Now after you type in your mail, click on next. Now in here you will have to type in your name. I'll go for my name, and in here you have to choose a password for your ClickUp account. Now after you have selected your password, click on play with ClickUp. Now after that they will send you a confirmation email with a code in it, and you would have to type in this code right here. So you have typed in the code and they will verify it, and after that they would ask you some questions for personalizing your experience and you're done. So that is how you can sign up for a ClickUp account.